In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up a TikTok shop. Now, in order to actually start setting up our TikTok shop, you must first head over to TikTok's website and head over to their shop section. You should be able to find this just by typing in TikTok shop to Google. Now, once you're on this page, we can just scroll down until we see this section here. And from here, you want to choose whether you're a seller, creator, partner, or affiliate. But since I'm trying to set up a TikTok shop as a seller account, I'm just going to choose seller. So as long as we are on this option here, we can scroll down and then click learn more to start setting up our account. So from here, it will say welcome to TikTok shop and it will ask us where we actually are from. So obviously if you're from America, you're going to want to choose North American seller. But I'm actually from United Kingdom, so I'm going to select Europe, and then down here we can see United Kingdom seller, and then I'm going to go ahead and click enter. So from here it will ask us to sign in, but I'm assuming most of you haven't actually created an account yet, so we're going to go down and choose sign up now down here. From there you want to make sure that your merchant account is in the right location up here, and when you're happy we can actually start signing up. So you just want to enter in your email address and then your password. So I'm now logged into my account and it says welcome to the United Kingdom site. Of course, if you're from America, it's going to say something like welcome to the United States site. And from there, you can go ahead and click start selling. So you will have to answer a few more questions about what type of business you are and what you'll be selling on your store. So you first have to choose your business type. But since I'm working by myself, I can choose this option. But of course, if you are a privately owned business, you are going to have to pick this. So choose whichever one is suitable to you and then click next. So from here, you will have to verify with your ID, so you can choose either a passport or driver's license, but I'm just going to choose driver's license. And then you also have to upload a selfie with your ID. So do both of those steps and then go ahead and click next. And now that we've verified our identity, we're now ready to start setting up our shop. So we first want to give our shop a name, and you want to make sure to have no flagships or official in the name, and you want to avoid using only numbers or special characters. So I'm just going to call it Tutorials with James. And from here, we will have to do this secure sign up section as well. So you just want to put in your phone number, send the code to your phone number and enter the code in here. And then you also want to choose your contact email. So now that we've completed all those steps, we've successfully set up our TikTok shop and we can start getting our shop ready to go. So down here, we will have to set up shipping. We'll have to add our first product and we'll also have to connect our shop to a TikTok account. So to start with, we will have to set up shipping first. So we can simply click get started over here. And from here, we want to enter in the address of where we will be shipping the products from. So you want to put in your full name here. You need to put in your phone number in this section, the postal code of where you will be shipping the items from, and then the full address of where the items will be shipped from. And you also want to make sure this is ticked if this is the same as your return address. If it's not, you can untick it and you can enter in the return address right here. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and click submit. From there, we have to add our first product, so we can go down to this section and click get started. And then we can choose how we want to add our products. So we have 4 options. We can upload manually, we can sync with our online store, we can bulk upload, or we can add via the Seller Center app. So if you upload manually, you'll basically just be adding it yourself one at a time. If you're syncing with your online store, that will basically allow you to connect your existing store. So if you already had a shop on Shopify, for example, you could integrate those together and you could take all those products that are already on your Shopify store and put them onto your new TikTok shop. You could also bulk upload. So if you have some sort of spreadsheet with all the product information, you could upload that via this method. Or finally, you can add it via the Seller Center app, which is basically TikTok's Seller Center app, and that will allow you to upload and manage it all from there. Now, I don't have an existing shop and I don't have any of this ready, so I'm just going to choose upload manually. Now from here, it's pretty straightforward. You'll have to enter in your product name, choose the category for this item. You want to upload at least 5 images that will represent your product. And you can also upload a video as well if that shows off your product better. From here, you'll have to enter in a product description, and this gives you a chance to basically just tell people what your product is and give a bit more information about it. And you can also use this AI to help generate a product description. From here, you'll have to enter in some of the sales information. So you have to choose the product identifier code, choose how much the retail price is, choose how many you have, and finally you can enter a seller SKU if you want. And then finally we get down to shipping and we can choose how much it's going to weigh, as well as the dimensions, and we can also choose how much shipping is going to be. And when we're happy with that, we can click submit for a review, and TikTok will check our product to make sure it meets the guidelines, and then if they are happy with it, they will add it to your store. And from here, the final step will be connecting our shop to a TikTok account. So you can simply click get started, and then all you have to do from here is click link official account, and then you can sign in to the TikTok account which you want to use. After you've done that, you will have successfully set up your TikTok shop, and you're now ready to sell items on your TikTok shop. So this has been my video showing you how to set up a TikTok shop. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say it helped you out. Thanks for watching.